Dear students of class ninth, in this video we will discuss the chapter of geography. Name of the chapter is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In the previous video we discussed about tropical evergreen forests. Before going to new topic, let us discuss about some of the important trees which are economically beneficial are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. And with regard to the animals, what we can say in the tropical rainforest or the tropical evergreen forests are elephant, monkey, lemur, and deer. The one-horned rhinoceros are found in the jungles of Assam and West Bengal. Besides these animals, plenty of birds, bats, sloth, scorpions, and snails are also found in tropical evergreen forests. After that, we will discuss about the tropical deciduous forests. So, with regard to the tropical deciduous forests, these forests are the most widespread forests of India, and they are also called monsoon forests. These forests are found in those areas where the amount of rainfall is ranging in between 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter. Trees of these forests shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. So with regard to the tropical deciduous forests, they can be categorized into two main categories or the types, moist deciduous and the dry deciduous. First, let us discuss about the moist deciduous forests. These forests are found in the areas of 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. Due to a long dry season, the trees in these forests are deciduous, means they shed their leaves during the dry season. Sesame, sandalwood, and the sal are the common trees found in these forests. Other commercially important trees are kher, rosewood, sesame, etc. Bamboos are also very commonly found in these forests. This vegetation belt covers a vast area of India extending from northeastern states along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, western Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. This type of forests, means moist deciduous forests, are also found in the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. After that, we will discuss about the dry deciduous. These forests are found in the areas having rainfall between 70 centimeter to 100 centimeter. They are found in the wetter parts of the peninsular plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. These are open stretches. Teak and sal are the important trees. Most of these forests have been cleared for cultivation and grazing. The important animals what we can see in the tropical monsoon forests are lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephant. A huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes, and tortoises are also found here. After that, we will discuss about the thorn forests or scrubs. In the regions with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, we are getting the thorn forests. Due to lack of moisture, the trees growing here have very small leaves and they support thorns. The common species found here include babul, kika, and wild palm in the areas of moderate rainfall. In areas of more scanty rainfall, the vegetation consists of shrubs, and thorny bushes. The main features of thorny forests are that the trees are scattered and have long plant roots penetrating deep into the soil and spreading in a radial pattern in search of water. Leaves are small to minimize loss of water by the process of transpiration. Rajasthan, Gujarat, parts of Punjab, Haryana, and dry parts of Madhya Pradesh and the Deccan Plateau, along with the rain shadow areas, have this type of vegetation. Important animals, what we can say in the thorn forests are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, and camels. After that, we'll discuss about mountain forests. So, with regard to the mountain forests, these forests are found in the mountainous regions of our country. The decrease in temperature with increasing altitude leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation. As such, there is a succession of natural vegetation belts in the same order as we see from the tropical to tundra region. The wet temperate type of forests are found between the height of 1000 and 2000 meters. Evergreen broadleaf trees such as oaks and chestnuts are predominant. Between the height of 1500 to 3000 meters, temperate forests containing coniferous trees like pine, devda, silver fir, spruce, and cedar are commonly found. At higher elevation, temperate grasslands are common. At high altitude, generally more than 3600 meters above the sea level, temperate forests and grasslands give way to alpine type of vegetation. Silver fir, junipers, pine, and birches are the common trees of these forests. However, they get progressively stunted as they approach the snow line. Ultimately, through shrubs and scrubs, they merge into the alpine grasslands. And these grasslands are extensively used for grazing by nomadic tribes like Gujars and Bakarwals. At higher altitude, mosses and lichens form part of tundra type of vegetation. Now let us discuss about some of the animals which are commonly found in the mountain forests. Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horn wild ibex, bear, and rare red panda, sheep, goats with thick hair. So these are some of the important animals what we can see in the mountain forests of our country. After that, we will discuss about the mangrove forests. So these are found in the coastal areas Having accumulated mud and silt, dense mangroves are the common varieties with roots of plants submerged underwater. The tidal forests are found in the deltas of Ganga, Mahanadi, Godavari, and Kaveri. The most important trees, what we are getting in the mangrove forest, that is the Sundari tree, after which the Sundarbans are named. The tree provides hard, durable, and a strong wood which is used for building boats and boxes. With regard to the animals, what we can see in the mangrove forest are tiger. We can say the Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal in this forest. Other than tiger, turtle, crocodile, gharials, and snakes are also found in the mangrove, or you can say the tidal forest of our country. Then here in this slide, some medicinal herbs are included. So you must learn by heart about the medicinal plants and also their uses. About the wildlife or fauna, we will discuss in the next video. Okay.